Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best cameras for TikTok. Number 3 is my favorite one of the list. I have made my research, and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end, so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the TikTok cameras in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best cameras for TikTok on the market right now. Coming at number 6, we've got the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra Smartphone. Pros. Pro equipped with 256 GB of storage space. Offers users an incredibly long battery life. Cons. Is just as expensive as some DSLR cameras. We can't recommend the S23 enough for TikTokers who are in search of a portable smartphone camera with a large and immersive display so they can record and edit content on the fly. Senior tech editor Stefan Vajarov called the S23 camera's 200MP snapper an absolute game changer. It's one of the few smartphone cameras capable of 8K video recording, and it's so powerful that it captures images with resolutions up to 16,320 x 12,240 pixels. It also has a 100x digital zoom that will blow your mind. The base model S23 Ultra packs 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, so you'll have plenty of storage space for all your high-resolution videos. Its selfie camera performs fantastically as well, with a sharp edge and high-quality blurred background that'll convince viewers you're shooting with a DSLR. If you're on the fence about shopping for an iPhone or S23 Ultra, we think users who prefer to fine-tune their settings should opt for the S23 Ultra, given the flexibility of the Android operating system. But if you're already locked into Apple's ecosystem, the cameras on the iPhone 14 Pro are still impressive, but its zoom and video recording capabilities aren't as strong. Coming in at number 5, Apple iPhone 14 Pro Pros, fast and powerful. The front-facing camera can record in 4K. Cons. The 8-ounce iPhone 14 Pro Max may be too heavy for one-handed use. The iPhone 14 Pro is the camera of choice of First Find's social media manager Stephen Maria, who you may know as at April00 Ella's Day on TikTok. He said the iPhone makes it easy to capture high-quality videos, 4K at 60 fps, and its portability means he can shoot and edit on the go whenever inspiration strikes without the weight of a bulky camera. The editing tools such as Action Mode, Cinematic Mode, and Exposure help me quickly and easily enhance my footage, all without having to transfer files to a computer, Maria said. Even if I do have to transfer videos, I can use AirDrop, which is so much easier than an SD. During our tests with the iPhone 14 Pro, we were blown away by its all-day battery life and appreciated its waterproof build. Its screen is incredibly bright too, which comes in handy while editing videos outdoors. If you want even longer battery life, consider shopping for the 14 Pro Max instead, which offers 26% more juice. Coming at number 4, GoPro Hero 11 Black Action Camera. Pros. Supports voice commands. Long battery life. Larger image sensor means more cropping possibilities. Cons. There is no way to edit video from the camera itself. This TikTok-ready action camera is equipped with a taller sensor that was created with vertical video in mind. Most action cameras shoot in 16, 9, or even 4, 3, but the Hero 11 Black records in 8, 7, which makes it easier to record and share videos on TikTok. You can even crop the footage to 16, 9, perfect for YouTube or Vimeo. The camera has industry-leading gimbal-like digital image stabilization tech on board. It enables the Hero 11 Black to capture incredible content that's in a league of its own in terms of smoothness. Of course, it's completely waterproof and drop-resistant, so you can take it on any adventure that life throws at you. The GoPro Hero 11 also offers users a free companion app dubbed Quick that makes it a breeze to transfer video and photos to your smartphone for a seamless editing experience. There's even an automatic edit feature on board, so you won't have to spend hours hunched over your smartphone making a highlight reel. Any TikToker looking for an easy-to-use action cam that's built to last will fall in love with the GoPro Hero 11. Number 3, Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera. Pros: has a good built-in microphone and a jack if you want to use your own. Excellent autofocus. Cons: doesn't have optical image stabilization. Key specs: megapixels 20, max video resolution, 4K, display, articulating LCD screen, microphone input. Yes. For those looking for a compact camera perfect for vlogging that's a step up from a smartphone, consider the Sony ZV-1F. Pair one with a ring light and you basically have a content creation studio. The pocketable camera weighs in at just 8 ounces, making it perfect for digital nomads, concert goers, and students. The ZV-1F has a wide-angle fixed prime lens, 20mm, so you'll be able to capture your environment well or get more people in the shot. For those who prefer solo shots or talking heads, don't fret. It has a 5x digital zoom too for those close-up shots of your subjects. Our favorite thing about the camera, though, is Sony's signature Eye AF autofocus feature that follows subjects' eyes to ensure they will always stay in focus. The camera seamlessly captures vertical video as well, no editing required. Sony has a companion app called Imaging Edge Mobile Plus that makes it easy to transfer your content from the camera to your smartphone so you can publish your videos to TikTok almost immediately after shooting them. With so much to love, you're probably wondering why the Sony wasn't named our best overall pick. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't offer users raw capture for photos. It lacks optical stabilization, and its fixed lens hinders the camera slightly. But all in all, it's an affordable and portable camera that likely will offer an increase in image quality over your smartphone. Coming at number 2, Canon EOS R8 full-frame mirrorless camera. Pros: is the lightest full-frame camera you can buy from Canon. Impressive video recording features. Its screen swings out to the side and swivels for selfies and vlog-style videos. Cons: only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which limits peak transfer speeds. Key specs: megapixels, 24.2, max video resolution, 4K, display, articulating LCD screen, microphone input. Yes, the Canon EOS R8 is an affordable entry-level full-frame mirrorless camera that packs the same full-frame 24.2 sensor and the same Digic X processor as the Canon R6 Mark II camera, but at a price that's $1,000 cheaper. But in all honesty, you're not missing out on much. Its battery life is shorter, you can't record in 6K, and the camera doesn't feature in-body image stabilization. Despite these minor shortcomings, the R8 is a highly approachable and capable camera that's comfortable and easy to use. The Canon has impressive autofocus performance for stills, and it stands out from its peers when it comes to recording video. Not only does it shoot 4K video at up to 60p, but it also has connectors and inputs for attaching accessories like microphones or lights. Overall, the Canon EOS R8 is an excellent compact hybrid camera perfect for beginners, thanks to its full-frame sensor, fast autofocus system, and video capabilities. Number 1. Panasonic LUMIX G9 mirrorless camera. Pros: huge ecosystem of lenses that cater to every budget. Has excellent battery life. Its body is water-resistant. Cons: smaller sensor than its competitors. Key specs: megapixels, 20.3, max video resolution, 4K, display, articulating LCD screen, microphone input. Yes, believe it or not, the LUMIX G9 mirrorless camera was released before TikTok launched in the United States. But when the camera first came out in 2017, its specs were impressive for even today's standards. And thanks to a myriad of software updates, the camera is just as good, if not better, than the competition. The 20MP camera has everything you'd want in a TikTok camera. Good ergonomics that make it feel like an extension to your hand, a solid but durable magnesium body, 5-axis image stabilization for smooth footage, a plethora of excellent video features, and a mic input for clean audio. The LUMIX G9 comes with a flip-out LCD touchscreen that's perfect for solo recording. It records 4K UHD footage at 24, 25, 30, 50, and 60p rates. The higher the frame rate, the smoother and sharper your video will appear. Whether you want to record video or shoot photos, this camera has your back and is hands down one of the best, most affordable cameras worth buying. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best cameras for TikTok. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.